Can you pay with a gift card on McDonald's app? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll discuss if it's possible to pay with a gift card on your McDonald's app. So let's get started. So while using the McDonald's app, you must have been wondering if you can pay with a gift card. So if that's your question, just open up your McDonald's card, just place your orders and choose a payment method and check if there is an option to use the gift card. And I'm sure you won't find that because you cannot pay with gift cards on the McDonald's app yet. Maybe they will make it possible in the future, but currently you can only use the gift card on the directly stores. Just go to the stores, and after you're on the stores, you can use those gift cards. And I hope that answers your question to if you can pay with a gift card on McDonald's app. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button.